Tom Gray here. I outfitted my grandpa's mini lathe with a bigger tool post. A buddy of mine just gave it to me. It was unused. It was still in the wrapper, in the box. So I figured, what the hell? I'll put it on the on Grandpa's mini lathe. And at the same time, I'm going to eliminate the cross slide. I'm sorry, the compound, just to see what effect that has. And besides, it wouldn't fit anyway with this big tool post. Wouldn't fit with the compound. So I mounted this. Now it gives me two tool post options. The little one, this one, which I mounted in a previous video, and this one. Both of them take either 1/2 inch or 3/8 tools. I also got some 1/2 inch tools with the freebie tool post. I'll show you how I mounted it. Step one, I don't know, I didn't do this before, but in the last upgrade I got these T-bolts and ground them down. That'll focus. I could have just taken a normal 3/8 button head and trimmed it, which is what I just did. Which is what I just did with the grinder. And that works even better. So I'm going to use these. For a platform, I've got this big honking disc. Looks like a big honking washer. The only problem with it is the hole in it is too big for to register the center of the compound. However, I also have this bushing that I found that fits this perfectly and is close to this. So I'm going to turn this so I can press this bushing into it. But unfortunately, my outie jaws on my teeny tiny chuck are too small. But I've got another solution. And that solution is the venerable Dremel. And a little oil. And a little bit of force. Perfect. Since I really don't know the pedigree of this thing, it measures like 101 millimeters, or 4 3/16. So I'm not sure if it's metric or standard, so I'm doing both. I'm going to go with 4 3/16. I'm going to call this the good side. Yeah, I'll call this the upside. And I'm going to scribe a diameter line. Okay, the centers of the compound holes are 2.5 inches apart, which is on here. Make sure I'm on center. Eyeballing this a little bit. Right there. Looks like it's centered. Just eyeballing it here again. Pop a couple holes in this. All right, let's quadruple check it. Okay, well, here goes nothing. I have no idea what this material is. I just found this thing in the bin, so Well, okay, that's right about there is where our mounting hole needs to go. Drill and tap that. Hey, not bad. Not bad. I kicked it up one speed on the belt here. $150. I speed it up a little bit more on that. $200. Let's go with 200. Yeah, a little too fast. Chattered up pretty good. Okay, moved it down a speed to 175. That's definitely better. Sorry for the crummy camera angles on this, but I couldn't stay on the tripod where I was standing, so limited space. But I'm going to call this a success. I mean, we made a improvement here. Nice cut. Now I've got two tool post options. The big one with no compound, the little one with the compound. Both will take the 1/2 inch or 3/8 tools. So it's on to the next project, and I'll see you there and then.